This is Timemo Auto Global Limited. We are on automobile conditioning tips day 26, and today it is on importance of replacing your evaporator filter regularly. If your evaporator filter is dirty, to restrict airflow across your coil. If your evaporator filter is dirty, it will stress your evaporator motor. If your evaporator filter is dirty, it will no longer protect your evaporator. And what normally happens, some people will now remove their AC evaporator filter if it is dirty, instead of replacing it with new one, or if the airflow is weak, they will just remove the evaporator filter. When you do that, you are exposing your evaporator to risk of leak, because that evaporator filter is supposed to protect your evaporator against any leaf or stick getting into the location of the evaporator. Evaporator is always condensed, so if any stick or leaf have chances to get to it, it will stick there, and over time it will start rusting and start leaking from there. So it is recommended that every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers, your evaporator filter should be replaced. I would advise, anytime you are going out to service your car, always ensure that your evaporator filter is being checked. If it is in place, if it's not in place, you better put it. If it is in place and it's dirty, you replace it, because it is a safety device to your evaporator. If the evaporator filter is not in place, you are exposing the evaporator to risk of leak, because aside from age, if the filter is not in place to protect the evaporator, over time it will leak. So a dirty evaporator filter will restrict airflow. It will reduce cooling efficiency. It will stress your evaporator blower. So always ensure that your evaporator filter is replaced regularly, most especially if you are on in a dusty area. It will make your evaporator filter to get choked up or to get dirty more often, so you have to replace it regularly. You might not really need to wait until when you are going to service your car. You might not really need to also wait until you get to 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers. Inspect it. If it is dirty, replace it, to save you, to save the evaporator, to save your blower motor. I want to believe that these few tips are useful. Kindly share it to benefit others, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more air conditioning tips. Remember, knowledge saved cost. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.